Hey everyone, today's Friday Find is with Sophie Schwarck of Neat Method Des Moines. I'm so grateful to have Sophie here with me today. I first met her several years ago when one of my clients hired her to organize her whole home. And she was moving into a new house and she just wanted a fresh start, everything organized. She hired Sophie. I saw the after product. It was amazing. I knew one day I would be able to have her here at my house because I also need help with organizing my life.
Sure, yeah.
So thank you so much for being here today.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Tell everybody a little bit about not only what the business is, but what services you offer and how they could work with you.
Sure. Well, Neat Method is a luxury organizing home service. We do homes and corporate offices. And so what we'll do is we'll come in, do a consultation with you, and then we will decide from there what services you need. And our services are all across the board. So we do moving, unpacking, organizing, and design in your home.
Amazing.
Yes.
So I actually had Sophie here today because I have this section in my hall closet that every time I open the doors, it stresses me out.
Sure.
And finally I'm like, you know what? I'm calling Sophie. I want her to come. My brain just doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
So if you are somebody who also has a space in your house that just, I've tried going to the Container Store myself. I've tried doing all of the Pinterest articles from, the home edit and all of that, and it never looks good. So I'm so excited to see how you can help me make my space beautiful.
Yes, no, we're excited to work in your spaces. So we're excited to show the before and after.
So you work with clients who are in their home now like me, who just need some organizing and a refresh.
Yep.
But you also work with remodels?
Yeah, so we also work with remodels and new builds. So we would come in with whoever is doing the process, interior designer or a builder or just any sort of company in Des Moines, and we would kind of take inventory of what you have and then help build the space around that. So we would measure the items that you have, for instance, in a master closet, how much short hang you have, how much long hang you have, and then really build the system around your items.
I love that. I love that you take what you already have and then build the systems around it.
Yeah.
Like you mentioned earlier, pots and pans. How many people struggle with where the heck am I going to put my pots and pans in my kitchen? And you can specifically plan out, and it's a very thoughtful design process.
Yeah, it's very thoughtful. We'll measure everything. We take everything into consideration. And we just try to make it so, obviously you're spending a lot of money on a remodel of any space, and we want to make sure that your items fit properly. A lot of people think that organizing is going and buying the bin and putting their stuff in the bin, but it actually should be the opposite. Should be the opposite. It should be categorizing what you have and trying to figure out a appropriate system for those items.
And I love the idea if you're moving into a brand new house.
Yes.
Or not necessarily a brand new house, but any new house that you're moving into. I know Grace hired you to just come and
unpack everything.
Yeah. And I went in afterwards and everything was so organized and labeled, and I had a lot of organized envy.
Yeah, no, it's a great service, and it just takes ease off of all of our clients from, they go to work, all of the boxes are there, all the boxes are gone, and everything is put away when they come home.
I seriously wish I knew about that.
It's a great investment. Yes.
Maybe I wouldn't still have the bins from 5 years ago that I swore one day I would get organized still sitting in my basement.
Yeah, it's a great service. Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Okay, so this area of my house stressed me out so bad. We've got these closets, and I swear 4 years ago when we moved in, I think I just shoved everything that I didn't want to deal with at the time into these closets. Sophie and her team came. I feel like they have literally changed my life. It is amazing. They have organized everything, but more importantly than organizing everything, they have put tags on everything. Look at this. I feel like a whole new woman. Everything is put together nicely and most importantly, labeled. Thank you so much to Sophie and her whole team at Neat Method Des Moines. Honestly, if you are out there and you have a space in your home that you just want help organizing, putting together, give Sophie a call. She can come out, she can bid up the job for you. I cannot shout her praises more. Thank you, Sophie, so much for giving me an organized closet. Now I can't wait for you to come and do the rest of my house.